Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to integrate Shopify with Make at 2026. So actually guys, at first we'll need to make sure that you have an active Shopify store and a Make account as well. If not, you can sign up just from www.make.com website and clicking on the Get Started Free from here or from that pink color button on the top right corner. Okay, so you can sign up with Google or some other options like Apple, Facebook, GitHub, and even you can sign up with your credentials like name, email, password, and you will need to enter the region right here, EU or US, and choose your country. Okay, then go with sign up for free. And after signing in or signing up on Make website, you will need to get back to your Shopify, and then you will need to go with the left hand menu and click on the settings, the last option on it. Okay, and then just go and click on apps option, click on Shopify app store, the button that's located on the top right. And alright, so right now I want you just to select the search bar and look for Make. If you can't see it like me here, it means that you are not on the US or the EN region. So I have a solution for you. So after creating a Make account, you will be forwarded into this page. Okay, so I do want you to go with create scenario just from here. So you will need to click that option and then go with this plus icon. And then just look for Shopify from here on the search bar and select it. Right, so go with watch products, for example, and then create a connection. And after that, go with Shopify and my Shopify connection. All right. Copy paste your Shopify URL and then go with save. Right, so it's invalid right now. I do want to get it again. Then save. And this is the only way, if you can see it right here on the Shopify App Store, to integrate the Shopify with Make or Make to Shopify. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.